The 1969 Chevrolet Nova SS is a legendary American car that embodies the spirit of an era when automakers competed in power and speed. When General Motors got rid of the Chevy 2 name, Nova turned into a full-fledged oil car, ready to conquer the road. Thanks to its relatively light body and affordable V8 engines, this car became the absolute queen of drag racing and remains a coveted trophy for collectors and enthusiasts. The main advantage of Nova was its design. Compared to its older brother, the Chevelle, it was about 200 kilograms lighter, which gave it a huge advantage on a straight road. The SS sports version was recognizable by the black radiator grille, decorative air intakes on the hood, chrome edges on the fenders, and distinctive logos. In 1969, for the first time, Nova introduced front disc brakes in the standard SS package, which made braking more efficient and reliable. The choice of engines was impressive for a car of this class. The basic SS version offered a 5.7-liter V8 capable of producing 300 horses. Those who wanted more power could choose a larger 6.5-liter engine, producing 350 horses. But the real highlight was the top-of-the-line factory version of the same volume with rigid valve pushrods and an output power of 375 horses. Only 5,500 such machines were produced. However, there was also a completely exotic modification, the Yenko SC427, created by ambitious dealer Don Yenko. He installed a 7-liter engine in Nova, developing 425 horses. It was a truly monstrous machine, and only 38 units were produced. Today, the 1969 Nova SS occupies an honorable place in the classic car market, and its cost varies greatly depending on many factors. A car in working condition that can be used for everyday trips will cost about $35,000 to $55,000. These can be either relatively simple refurbished versions or modern interpretations with new LS engines. If you want a refurbished car in excellent condition with an original medium-sized engine, the price will rise to $55,000 to $85,000. Real collectibles in perfect factory condition with a rare and powerful L78 engine and complete documentation cost from $90,000 to $130,000 and above. But if you manage to find the original super rare Yenko SC427, get ready to pay from $190,000 to $300,000 and maybe more. The price depends not only on the condition of the car, but also on the availability of the original unit numbers, documents confirming the history of the car, and its factory configuration. In the market of classic American muscle cars, the 1969 Nova SS remains one of the most coveted and respected cars. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.